Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate your ThankView account with your favorite web apps to move information between them automatically using Zapier. To get started, you'll need to head to Zapier.com and either create a new account or log into an existing one. They have various plans available to meet your needs. Once you've logged into your Zapier account, head to your dashboard, which is where I am now. This is where you can create various workflows. Today, I'm going to highlight one specific example, but Zapier supports over 3,000 web applications, so you're sure to find a good fit for you and your team. The workflow, or Zap, I'd like to showcase is between Stripe and ThinkView. The first step is typing your two apps into the workflow generator. So we'd like to connect Stripe with ThinkView. The trigger will initiate in Stripe and thus prompt an action in ThinkView. In this case, when a new charge is received in Stripe, it will add that recipient to a thank you campaign. Perhaps you'd like to send them a thank you campaign as an acknowledgement of their gift, for example. Once you've set up the workflow, click Try It. This will direct you to a page that completes the setup by prompting you to log into the two apps you're connecting. For Stripe, you'll need to provide the API key. Once you've signed into any app for the first time, it will be added to your list of apps in Zapier, and you will not be prompted to sign into those accounts again. So now we just need to select the Stripe account. When you've finished setting up your trigger, click Continue. And at this point, we strongly recommend that you now click Test Trigger. This will confirm that all things are set up correctly. Signing into your ThankView portal will also require you to retrieve the API key, which is located in the Integrations and API section of your settings page. So all we have to do now is select the ThankView account. Next, we want to set up the action, which in this case is the campaign to which we want recipients to be added. We're only required to select the specific campaign, but we do also have the option of immediately attaching a video or sending. Now we need to complete the data fields with the recipient info we want to pull from Stripe. We're required at the very least to include first name, email, and donor ID. At this point, you can either skip the testing phase or proceed to complete a test of your action. If you choose to skip the test, you can return at any time to complete one. When you're satisfied with your Zap, simply toggle this button to turn on your Zap. Our team has created a variety of templates based on common use cases and feedback. But as previously mentioned, there are over 3,000 applications to explore and streamline your productivity using Zapier with ThankView. If you have any questions or comments, please direct them to support@thankview.com.